Hi, this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. I'm here at the Dreams Aventuras Resort in Riviera Maya, Mexico. I'm going to take you on a room of rooms 639 and 641. They are adjoining and in the preferred section. With the preferred, you do get to have breakfast and lunch at Oceana Restaurant. You also have access to the club lounge, the concierge, and access to the preferred only pool. We have a nice bathroom with double vanity and plenty of toiletries. The closet does come with an in-room safe and lots of drawer storage space. We also do have 2 plush robes here, luggage rack, and slippers. Nice full-length mirror, a little desk if you need to get some work done while you're on vacation, a nice large television, bar area with snacks. And in here we do have the refrigerator already filled with drinks for us. If we need anything else, we just hit 0 and they will bring it right up to our room. We have the sofa that can pull out, nightstand on each side of the bed that has a reading lamp and outlets, and they are USB plugs, or USA plugs and USB. And we have here the room service menu that is 24 hours. Have a nice little beach bag here for us. Out here is our marina view. Again, this is a king preferred marina view room. You can see down to the preferred pool and out into the marina. Nice little bistro table and chairs. Here is our other balcony, just to give you this view of it with another little bistro and chairs. So this is the room that my husband and I will sleep in tonight. Well, for our whole trip, we're here for 6 nights. And then this second room is a preferred marina view double room. They are connecting, and this is the room that our kids will sleep in tonight and for our trip. So here is a nice walk-in shower for them. Single vanity with lots of amenities. Nice comfy robes for them and slippers, and this closet also does have a safe. Coming over this way, there are 2 double beds. There's 1 table in the middle with additional USA plugs and reading lamps. TV, same snack bar setup. And again, we have the beautiful view out onto the marina. If you are looking to book a trip, please reach out to Straightaway Travel. We would love to put together some ideas for you and tell you about the amazing resorts that we stay at firsthand. We don't charge any planning fees when you book through us. Please reach out to us at straightawaytravel.com and be sure to follow our YouTube channel.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at 0 cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.